morning, students. I hope you all are doing well at your places. And today we'll be doing a very interesting poem about Indian weavers. Who are weavers? जो चीजें बुन के बनाते हैं, right? So let's just begin this beautiful poem. Title of our poem is Indian Weavers. So in this poem, the poetess she described the three stages of human life. Just read and learn. See, तीन stages बता रही है human life की. Weavers, weaving at a break of a day means बिना ब्रेक लिए they used to weave, right? Why do we weave a garment so gay? हम इतनी खुशी से क्यों एक गारमेंट को वीव करते हैं? Blue as the wing of Helicon wild. Helicon wild means आप देख सकते हैं ब्लू कलर के धागे होते हैं. We weave the robes of a newborn child. छोटे छोटे बच्चों के कपड़े भी वीव करते हैं. We were weaving at fall at night, fall of night, रात को भी. Why do we weave a garment so bright? हम इतना अच्छा क्यों वीव करते हैं? Like the plums of the peacock, purple and green. जैसे कि पीकॉक के पीछे के पंख के कलर होते हैं. We weave the marriage wheels of a queen. हम शादी का जोड़ा भी वीव करते हैं. Weaving Solomon and still यही चलता रहता है. Why do we weave in the moonlight chill? हम लोग इतना रात में भी क्यों आराम से करते हैं. White as feather and white as a cloud. कभी कभी एक white as a feather as a cloud. We weave a dead man's funeral shroud. और हम वो चादर भी वीव करते हैं जो एक डेड मैन के ऊपर चढ़ती है. And it has been written by Sarojini Naidu. You must have known that Sarojini Naidu, she is known as the Nightingale of India, right? Moving on to the word basket. First is break of the day means early in the morning. Gay means very happy. Helicon is a bird. Rope means long and loose pieces of clothes. Plums is the feathers. And veil means a cloth worn by a woman कि हम उसका कवर कर सके उसका फेस. Shroud means a cloth which is used to wrap a dead body, right? Moving on to the exercise. First, we'll be doing the oral exercises where you'll be completing these question answers at your own. Moving on to the tick the correct options. The bird Helicon wings, they are what in color? They are blue in color. Let me check. Blue in color, right? The weavers are weaving robes for a newborn child at the break of the day. बच्चे का जो ये करते हैं at the break of the day, yes, right? In moonlight, the weavers, they are Solomon and still both. See, weavers are weaving this funeral shroud for a dead man. Now moving on to the complete the stanzas of this poem. What do weavers do? Weavers basically they are weaving at full. They are weaving at fall of night, right? वो रात को काम करते हैं. And why do they work? And why do we weave? They weave a garment so bright, right? Like the dash green, like the plumes of a peacock, which is purple and green, right? We weave dash queen. हम लोग queen के जोड़े भी weave करते हैं. We weave the marriage wheels, right, of a queen. So weavers basically what they do, weavers weaving Solomon and still. And what's that chill? What do a weave? In the moonlight. Still, right? And it is white as a feather and white as a cloud. कभी कभी एक white कैसा है, feather के जैसा है, और कभी कभी as एक cloud के जैसा है. And we weave a dead man. एक dead man की जो चादर वो ओढ़ता है, dead man funeral shroud, right? Moving on to the true and false. The poem depicts the three stages of life. Of course, it's true. The weavers are weaving garments for a newborn child in the night. It's true. Weavers are weaving clothes for the queen in the morning. It's true. The color of the funeral shroud is white. It's true, right? Moving on to the answer the following questions. Please do these question answers at your own. And I hope you all understood this poem, learn all the word meanings, and keep doing hard work and stay blessed. Thank you.